Hello everybody, welcome to Soest. I was just getting out of work and I saw this beautiful view from my work. I thought let's let you enjoy this too. This is a psychopath and now you see people coming. And this is the view. Wonderful. You see there's a here's the flowers. And I could not resist to show you a bit of this. On the left there's a swimming pool and physiotherapy. And I thought let's show you this. Stunning view. It's too bad it's not really good shown because of the light, but I hope you get a glimpse here. Have to be a bit careful of the people coming. But yeah, this is a view. There you see better the pink colors. And actually it's in 2 rows. Like 1, 2, and 3. I never knew this. I'm already working here for a lot of time, but yeah. It's quite a few. So, my workers there on the building behind the yellow sign, and from where we have lunch there's a, you see this whole is a one big roof. Let's see if I can focus on one of the flowers here. If I can catch it right. Keep it. Can you see it better? I think yes. Not always open yet, but it gives a nice view. So, and this is the funny thing, these kind of flowers you can see now very nice everywhere. I tend to do this more often in the, how you call it, on the YouTube channel and here on Facebook. It's a bit, the color's not really coming through, but you can see it better. So yeah, just a quiet afternoon in the Netherlands in spring, and suddenly you can see this kind of setting. So yeah, this is actually what I wanted to show you. Just spots like this next to the swimming pool, enjoying it. And it's a lot around. Just look. There's the sun coming through. So welcome. Just let you enjoy the moment to see what is here. As you can see, it's just a neighborhood on the background. So if you want to know, it's on the, this is the graanakker, to be sure. It's the Sint-Josefstraat. And then here, you can see it. Even the view from above is better when a helicopter is coming up. Somebody said more, yeah. So that's about it with the people coming, scooter passing by. Okay, with this view, I'll see you next time. Live from Soest. Bye.